Hi, today I'm going to show you a little bit about my setup in the car itself. Exactly how I do things here in order to get the rides that I need to make some money to sustain myself. This is my phone, a Samsung Galaxy Note. And it's connected by this wire. And this place here is where it plugs into the car. It both charges the phone and it sends the navigation over here to the car. I also have Uber set up. If I go down here to account, and then if I go down here to app settings, right here. Hi, how are you? Then I go here to navigation. See where it says navigation? I touch that. And I have three options for navigation. Uber navigation, recommended stay in this app. If you touch that, then the navigation will just be on the phone and it will not leave the Uber app. It's built into the Uber app. And that's very good. That's probably your best option if you don't have in-car navigation screen like this. That's probably your best option. Now, another option is Google Maps or Waze. Now, I have tried Waze. Waze works really good. I do like Waze, except in this car at least, when I click Waze, after 2 or 3 rides, it seems to freeze up between the car and the phone. So the best option for me, but Google Maps. So I click that. So what happens is when a ride comes in and I accept it, it will automatically navigate me to the passenger that wants the ride, and that will appear over here automatically. Now I do have Uber and I have Lyft at the same time running. This is like having it's like having 2 fishing poles in the lake at the same time. You have twice as much chance of catching a fish. Now when a ride comes in with Uber, then this is the latest design of the Lyft app. They just redesigned the Lyft app. I don't particularly like it, but it does have some features that I do like. Anyway, it used to be you'd go offline, go online by a little slider up here at the top. Now to go offline, I come down here and click offline. Anyway, so I get an Uber ride and I have to go offline with Lyft. So I just click that, that takes me offline. And if I click that again, that puts me online. With the Android phones, you have this little, I think they call a hamburger menu, and then you have these 3 buttons right here. You get whatever's showing on your screen at the same, running. Now there's a Lyft ride. So first thing I'm going to do is accept it. And I'm going to go pick up which is 8 minutes away. She says the Starbucks entrance. And you'll notice it came up here on the screen on the phone as well. I'm going to click that as mark as red. Now I have to go over to Uber. And here's Uber. And we're going to go offline with Uber. And now we go back to Lyft. And I just have to navigate to that location to pick up. So you're going to the Enclave?
Yes.
Okay, I know where that is. I'll get you there safely.
Thank you.
All right, I will back in there so you can get those groceries out a little better. Does that sound like a good idea?
Yes, thank you.
Over here in the Lyft app, you can see I have another passenger waiting for me to come and pick them up. The next passenger sent a message that they are in a wheelchair. And fortunately, this car is an SUV with a big trunk, so I have lots of room for wheelchairs. All right, wheelchair loaded. I'll get that wheelchair for you. All right, you all set?
I am. Thank you so much.
You're
It was good
welcome.
to visit with you.
It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you, and we will see you again probably.
And now I'm going to double tap that, go over to the Uber app, and click go. In this life, as a gig worker, it is a bit hit and miss. But you do have independence and you do have freedom. I'm going into the car wash now. Yeah, and there's a Lyft ride, but I'm going to go through the car wash, go offline with Uber, go over to Lyft, accept it. I gotta do a little creative driving here, do a little U-turn. And now we're on our way. This is a Lyft ride. I can see where the passenger is on the map, and I'm heading towards the passenger. And I'm about here. Okay, I'm Wayne.
Hi, I'm Olivia.
And you're going to Walmart. How do you want to get into the store?
Just normal, I guess. Just to the front.
Pharmacy side? Pharmacy side or grocery side?
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Okay, she got out. And now I'm going to go back to Uber and go online with Uber. Uber has not been giving me a lot of rides last couple days. But sometimes it's hit and miss. You know, sometimes Uber is the big winner of the day. And today, Lyft is the big winner so far. I'm on my way to pick up a passenger from the local Volkswagen dealer. So that's pretty much how we do it between Uber and Lyft, switching back and forth. And today, you witnessed that, at least for today, that I had more rides with Lyft than I did with Uber.